Looking for a way to source affordable products from China and build a business for yourself? Today I'm going to simply show you how this particular platform, which is called Made in China, can help you build a business and also earn a passive income for yourself. And everything I'm going to simply guide you to do right here in this very video are my opinions and also my experiences on this very platform. All right, so in this particular video we'll cover how to buy a product, how to resell them, how to sell your own product with this very platform, and other different ways to earn passive income with Made in China. All right, this is Made in China, a B2B platform connecting global buyers with Chinese suppliers, and I've made a couple of videos across my automated channels on how to ship products from China down to your country and all of that. Okay, all this while we've been doing this without knowing that there's a platform that has all of the verified suppliers that we can actually use to build a business for ourselves. All right, so discovering this particular platform Made in China has actually opened my eyes to a lot of things, and the best thing of it all is that you can access the platform no matter where you are, no matter where you're watching from, and no matter the type of device you are using. All right, so if you're using a mobile phone, you can simply come over this app section where you can download their application from Google Play Store and iOS App Store. All right, that is for those using iOS devices. All right, if you're browsing with your desktop, just head straight to this video platform right here. I'm going to simply drop the link in the video description so you can simply go ahead and check it out yourself. All right, whether you want to buy, sell, or resell, this is the right website right here, and you're going to simply click on this join for free. Okay, and it's going to simply take you to this very page, or you can easily add your email address, then verify your email address and log in. All right, if you don't want to add your email address, just click on this Google account button right here, and this is going to simply prompt you to select a Google account that is already signed in on your browser. Okay, you can also register with Facebook, LinkedIn, and X. Okay, so once you log in, you're going to simply see your account and all your details. All right, and make sure you go ahead and verify your account, because they're going to simply send you a notification on your email, the same email you used to sign up. Go there and verify your account so that your account will be valid on this very page. Okay, so once you're registered on the platform, this is how your dashboard is going to simply look like. Okay, so your account will be logged in and you're going to simply see this very page. On this very page, there are a lot of things that are going on which can actually be tricky if you're a beginner on the platform, so I'm going to simply explain that. If you come to this very section, these are the categories Made in China deals with. Okay, but you're going to see agriculture and food products, you're going to see apparel and accessories, you're going to see art and craft, and lots more. Okay, so all of these things right here are categories they focus on, which means each of these categories has their specific product. If, for instance, if you click on this, these are the products you're going to see under that. Okay, so if you go back to this very page, for you to stay safe and shop the right product with the right suppliers, you have to make sure you pay close attention to this very video, because I'm going to simply show you how to find verified suppliers that will help you purchase everything you want to purchase on this platform in bulk without any issue. All right, these are the product categories. And if you come to this section right here, this is the video channel. On this video channel, you're going to see lots of videos about a specific product. Okay, if you click on this manufacturing, you're going to see videos about that. If you click on agricultural machinery, you're going to see videos about that. Whatever you buy here, you're going to see a visual effect of how they look or where they are functioning and lots more. Okay, and this is going to simply help you make the right choice. So with this video right here showing, you can actually tell yourself, this is exactly the type of product I want to purchase. All right, and on this section, you're going to see we have the secure trading services and we have the top ranking product. Okay, these top ranking products are actually what is trending on the platform and what people are actually buying at the moment. Okay, so if you scroll down right, you're going to see these are the products right here. This is not the only page where you can see this. All right, so if you come over to the home page and scroll down, you're going to see right here we have top trending products. These are the selected trending products you can also see on the platform. Okay, so this platform is easy to navigate whether you want to buy, sell, or resell. Okay, for you to buy or source any product on this very platform, you have to make sure you click on this search button. You select the type of stuff you want to search, whether you want to search for product or you want to search a specific supplier. Okay, so if I want to search for a product right here, remember the product will simply lead you to the supplier and you will know whether the supplier is verified or not. If I want to search for furniture in living room sofa, if I click on this, then this is going to simply take me to all of the products on this very platform under that keyword. Okay, these products are super cheap, okay, and affordable, and this is the main reason why people like to purchase from China. Okay, so this is how I do it. I import a product at a cheaper rate from China, then when it is shipped to me, I can resell it for a higher rate. That's basically how I do my own. Right, there are a lot of products on this very platform. Okay, and you're gonna see right here under furniture we have over 13,000 results. So if you want to check each of these products out, you just need to click on this image, then it's going to simply take you to the main product section. All right, you can see right here, this is the living room sofa right here, and you're going to see a video about this very product. Okay, whenever you are viewing a product, you have to be very much mindful. Okay, so for those of you that are starting up newly on the platform, you might not understand most of this stuff that are going on this very platform. Okay, so I'm going to simply explain each of these signs and what they mean. Okay, so that you can simply stay safe on the platform and purchase from the right verified suppliers. Okay, this audited supplier sign right here means that this particular supplier has been independently verified for authenticity and business operation. Okay, not only that, an on-site inspection has been carried out and key company credentials and details like business license, production capabilities have been reviewed. Okay, that's the reason why this particular supplier got verified. Okay, this diamond sign, which says diamond member, shows that the supplier is a premium member on madeinchina.com. right? So remember, all of the suppliers you're going to simply see here are basically companies, industries, individuals, and lots more. Right? Any of the supplier you're working with should be verified. So another one we have here is this green shield with dollar sign. Whenever you see it on the suppliers page, it means that the supplier is part of Made in China's secured trading service. Okay, so this provide buyers protection such as payment security, shipping guarantees, and dispute resolution. All right, so this particular sign right here does not only confirm that the supplier is verified or audited, it also tells you that whatever transaction you're dealing with this supplier is 100% safe. Having known how to identify a verified and also a secured supplier, I'm going to simply show you how to source a product and make the right choice. Right, so if you come over to this very page right here, you can simply type in any product you want to search for. Right, let's say you want to search for TV box right here. If you search for TV box, you're going to see these are stuff that people are selling on this very platform. Okay, whenever you search for a product right here, it is essential for you to come over to this very section and select those with secure trading. All right, you just have to make sure you click on this product right here. When you click on that, you can see right here, this will be open for you. You're going to see those with secured trading. Okay, most of the people with secure trading are all verified suppliers. Okay, this supplier right here is 100% verified. This supplier is verified. This supplier is verified and also secure with secure trading, and this supplier is also verified. Okay, which is going to simply give you higher chance of making transaction with trusted suppliers on this very platform. All right, each of these suppliers has their contact button. All right, all you need to do is simply click on this contact us right now and simply go ahead and contact the supplier. Click on send button, and apart from that, your email is going to simply show right here, the email of your account, so that they can reply you instantly. And another important part of this video platform that I like so much is their post my RFQ. All right, this section right here allows you to tell a supplier what you need. All right, this is a basic way to make this happen, and this is one of the best way people are using to build a standard business for themselves even without creating a single product. Okay, another strong segment is how to buy cheap product and resell from this very platform. All right, so as you already know, there are a lot of people doing this already, and they are doing it in offline way, which is going to simply take more money from you and also going to stress you, and sometimes you're not sure if the supplier is actually going to supply that for you. Okay, so in this particular video, I'm going to simply show you how you can buy cheap and resell from this video platform. Okay, so for you to buy cheap product, you just have to make sure you order in bulk. Okay, come over to this section and search for furniture right here. You're going to see a lot of suppliers that are selling furniture on this video platform, and the best thing to do is to simply filter from secure trading to be 100% sure that you're dealing with the right set of suppliers. Okay, and you're going to simply come over to this section that says verify supplier. And all you need to do right now is simply come over to this very page, and you have to simply figure out the type of furniture you want to buy from this very platform to resell. Click on this contact now to communicate with the supplier. All right, they go ahead and purchase some products right here that are cheaper, which you can as well resell at a higher price. Okay, and there are a lot of websites that are doing this already. You're going to see this particular website is actually doing this, and they're reckoning some cool amount of money every single month. They created a separate website where they buy and resell. Okay, so they buy product from Made in China supplier and they sell it out on their website. Okay, and you're going to see their own prices, and not only that, there are other websites that are doing that. The secret behind this is to look out for those verified suppliers, then source your product from there. When you source your product, then you can simply purchase in bulk and turn this to a full-time business. Apart from furniture, there are other high demand categories and niches that you can easily focus on and build your own business. Niches and categories like gadgets, beauty, fitness, and gears are all top notch. So if you purchase from this very platform, which is made in China, at a lower price, then you can easily sell it out on your own website, or you can easily ship it down to your own zone or your country and sell it in your own physical market. All right, and for you to make this a long-term business, you have to make sure you are transparent with your customers before you buy any product to sell out. You can actually test that product yourself to know that what you're going to offer your customers are basically what you already have. All right, and you can actually start buying small from this very platform, and as time goes on, you scale up your game. All right, that's basically how this thing work. Okay, so if you want to start selling on this very platform, for instance, if you don't want to create an external website where you buy from here and sell on your own platform, you can as well go ahead and create a seller page on madeinchina.com. okay, you can simply sell on this platform by registering as a seller on madeinchina.com. all right, so if you're a manufacturer or you export, you can simply register as a seller on this very platform. You list your product, get inquiries from global buyers on this very website, and build a business for yourself. Right, with the available tools which Made in China has already made available, like the RFQ response, like the video listing and audit report, you can also build a business on this very website. If you come over to your page and you click on your account, when you click on your key, if you scroll down right, you're going to see affiliate marketing and you're going to see drop shipping. All right, this is an opportunity for you to earn few points on this very website, and I'm going to simply show you what that few point was in this very video. Okay, so for instance, if you click on this affiliate guide right here, if you click on this, then it's going to simply take you to this very page where you're going to see share to earn. Okay, so this is what they said here: you share a product to your social media to earn a bonus point. Okay, there are two ways to share product on this very website. The number one is to share product posters for drop shipping. all right, so if you click on this learn more button, it's going to simply take you to this very page where you have to simply select if your favorite product from madeinchina.com. When you select that, then you easily create a marketing poster to display your favorite product. You can create that from Canva. You can use Canva to create that for yourself. all right, and on this session you can simply share this poster to your social media. all right, for instance, if you copy the link of that particular product you want to share, then you create a poster for it with some of the images that the supplier has already provided. When anybody click on your link and contact this supplier, they say you're going to simply earn few points. You're going to earn few points. Okay, this is the most interesting part. You can use this bonus to exchange great prizes such as gifts, Amazon gift card, and more. all right, that is what they said, and these are the safety tips that's going to simply help you to stay consistent on this very website. For you to make any transaction on this very platform, you just have to make sure you buy from a verified audited seller. all right, make sure you use a secured payment method. all right, so you can stay safe on this very platform. Okay, so whether you want to start a brand, you want to sell, or you want to resell online, or source for businesses or product, Made in China is a great tool to get this done for yourself. all right, you can simply go ahead and try it out yourself and check it out from the link in the video description. So this is basically how everything works on this very platform. If you found this video helpful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, and turn on the bell notification icon to stay updated on what we do here. Okay, so in my next video I'm going to show you how to set up an e-commerce website, buy from madeinchina.com, and resell on your website. If you want me to make that video, I want to know where you're watching from. See you in that very video.